How we doing today? Um, this is Dwayne Paul, and today we'll do a screencast of how to make a chart in off of Word or put it into Excel, whatever your case may be. I think this would come into handy right now with everything going on in society and with the majority of schools, if not all of them, have shut down for face-to-face contact, and just about everybody has went to some sort of continuous learning via online. And so this would be very good for your students as they transition into the next phases. This is extremely important. It's easy for us as college students to possibly go on and do this. We're used to it, but not so accustomed to uh, junior high, high school, and elementary kids learn how to do something. And so it could be a learning curve that's here, but I think that with things like this, I think it will come in handy. What we're going to do is, like I said, we are going to learn how to draw a graph or in Word, so you could easily save it and copy and paste it or whatever you need to do. I actually had my accounting class do this just the other day. And so none of it will be anything that is anything too difficult, but just in case you don't know what to do, you'll be on your home, your main screen. I like to go, some people can go on to Excel. You can go on to Word. I like to go on to Word and do mine. And so you go here to your blank document and you go here. So you'll come to your main page. You go to Insert, and then you go and you look for whatever you want to go. You have draw, you have design, layout, whatever the case may be. You can do whatever it is that you feel like you want to do. Okay, so as you open up your blank document, you're looking at table. Okay, and you're saying insert a table, and so whatever it is that you want, um, excuse me, I'm sorry, not insert table. You're going to come up here and you're going to go to chart. Okay, and one of the hardest things to do is to, depending on uh, what your graph you're looking like, so you can best show what you're trying to show. It could be a column, a line graph, whatever the case may be, right? So for the sake of this right now, we're going to use a column. Okay, and you just click on what you're looking for. Once you click on what you're looking for, it's going to take you to this screen right here. Okay, so as you see, we just went from Word into Excel. Okay, so you'll come here and you just name it whatever you want to name it. Right now, we'll just call it some of the schools that are in our conference. If these are any of your schools, please don't take it personal. None of this means anything. I'm just making up numbers as we go. And then you get to this point in this series 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you can name them whatever you want. Let's say it's baseball, football, and softball. Okay, you come in here and you, after you say what you want to do, you come in and you put your numbers that you need to input in here. Notice how it's not too difficult. Right, so now we've concluded putting our numbers in here. Okay, and so now we're done. All we have to do now is now we click off and we go back over here to the Word document, and here it is. Here's what we have right here. So you're looking, so down here you have Lebo, Burlingame, Madison, and Opie. Okay. The blue bar graph is for baseball, the orange is for football, and the gray is for softball. Remember, these can be anything you want them to be. It doesn't have to be anything specific. This is probably the easiest way, in my opinion, to put a graph in there. Okay, um, from Word using Excel. Okay, it's very simple. You don't have to overthink it. Once you get done, You go up here to File, Save As, and just like any other document that you would save in Word, you save it to wherever you want to. I hope this has helped anyone. If you have any questions, please make sure you comment in the discussion. Thank you.